students, welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss problems on first law of thermodynamics lecture 1. In this session, I am going to discuss problems on first law of thermodynamics lecture 1. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తప్పక తెలియజేయగలరు. లెట్ us go to the today's session problems on first law of thermodynamics lecture 1. Let us go to the first one. If the amount of heat given to a system be 50 joules and work done on the system be 15 joules, then find change in internal energy of the system. Now we are writing the solution here. In this question, they given amount of heat energy is 50 joules and work done on the system be 15 joules, and we have to calculate change in internal energy. So first, given dq is equals to, now we'll write the solution. Given dq is equals to, how much they given? 50 joules. That is, here is there. And next, dw, that is work done. So dw is equals to, here work done is should be negative, minus 15 joules. And we have to calculate, in this question they are asking that find change in internal energy of the system. So du is equal to question mark. From the first law of thermodynamics, dq is equals to du plus dw. Now we will write the formula. Du is equals to dq minus dw, that is equals to dq, substitute values 50 joules, minus plus dw 15, that is equals to 65 joules. So this is the change in internal energy of the system. So the answer is du is equals to 65 joules. Next, go to the next one, that is second question. Go to the next question. Calculate change in internal energy of a system which has absorbed 2 kilocalorie of heat and work done 500 joules. In this question, they given that which has absorbed 2 kilocalorie of heat and work done 500 joules. We have to calculate change in internal energy. So first, given, we'll write the solution. Given, in this question they given dq is equals to 2 kilocalorie. Converting into calories, 2 into 10 cube, and again converting into joules, 1 calorie is equals to 4.2 joules. So into 4.2, that is equals to 2 into 10 cube 1000, 4.2 can be written as 42 by 10, 0 cancels. So 200 into 42, that is equals to 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. So dq is equals to 8400 joules. And next, dw is equals to, in this question they given 500 joules. Here 500 joules, and this is heat 2 kilocalories. And then you have to find out change in internal energy, that is du is equals to question mark. So from first law thermodynamics, dq is equals to du plus dw. So du is equals to dq minus dw, that is equals to 8400 minus 500 joules, that is equals to 7900 joules. So change in internal energy du is equals to 7900 joules. This is the final answer. Okay, next go to the next question. Third question. A system is given 300 calories of heat and it does 600 joules of work. How much does the internal energy of the system change in this process? So you have to calculate the change in internal energy. They given 300 calories of heat and 600 joules of work done. So we'll write the solution now. Give in this question they given dq is equals to 300, dq is equals to 300 calories, and next converting into joules, 1 calorie is equals to 4.18 joules, either 4.8 or we can take 4.2, that is equals to 300 into this can be written as 418 by 100, 0 gets cancels, that is equals to 3 into 418, that is equals to 1254 joules. 3 8 is 24, 3 1 is 3 5, 3 4 is 12. So 1254 joules. This is dq, and dw is equals to 600. dw is equals to 600 joules. They given in this. This is here 600 joules of work and here 300 calories of heat. You have to calculate the internal energy of the system. Now du is equals to question mark. From first law of thermodynamics, dq is equals to du plus dw, that du is equals to dq minus dw, that is equals to dq value we are getting 1254 minus 600, that is equals to, after subtracting we are getting 654 joules. This is the value of internal energy. So the final answer is, therefore change in internal energy is 654 joules. Next go to the next question. A heat given to a system is 35 joules and work done by the system is 15 joules. Find the change in internal energy of the system. In this question, they are asking that find change in internal energy, and amount of heat 35 joules and work done 15 joules. So in this question they given that, now we'll write the solution. Given here dq is equals to 35 joules, and the next dw is equals to 15 joules, and du is equals to question mark. Here they given 35 joules and work done 15 joules, and you have to calculate change in internal energy. So from the first law of thermodynamics, dq is equals to du plus dw, du is equals to dq minus dw. Substituting values here, dq 35 and dw 15. 35 minus 15, we are getting du is equals to 20 joules. So this is the final answer. Change in internal energy du is equals to 20 joules. Okay. Go to the next one. The latent heat of vaporization of water is 2240 joule. If the work done in the process of vaporization of 1 gram is 168 joules, then find the increase in internal energy. In this question, they given latent heat of evaporation of water is 2240 joules and work done in the process of evaporation of 1 gram is 168 joules, and we have to find the increase in internal energy. Now we'll write what they given in this solution. Right now, dq is equals to, given dq is equals to 2240 joules and dw is equals to 168 joules. Here in this question they given TW is equals to 168 joules and internal energy you have to find out. From the first law of thermodynamics, dq is equals to du plus dw and du is equals to dq minus dw. So substituting values in this, we get du is equals to 2240 minus 168. So we are getting, after subtracting, 2072 joules. So this is increase in internal energy. Therefore, increase in internal energy du is equals to 2072 joules. Go to the next question. That is sixth one. In a thermodynamic process, 400 joules of heat is given to a gas and 100 joules of work is also done it. What is the change in internal energy of a gas? So in this question, the given 400 joules of heat is given to a gas and 100 joules of work is also done it. You have to calculate change in internal energy of a gas. Now we'll write the solution. So in this given solution, first given dq is equals to 400 joules and dw is equals to, here we have to take minus 100 joules, and next du you have to calculate the internal change in internal energy. From the first law of thermodynamics, dq is equals to du plus dw. So du is equals to dq minus dw. Substitute the values. So du is equals to dq 400 minus of minus plus 100. So total du is equals to 500 joules. Therefore, change in internal energy du is equals to 500 joules. This is the final answer. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.